Welcome friend in our channel Devlan's Stack. In last video we have to learn how to insert image in database, and also we have to use MySQL database, and also we have to learn how to connect MySQL database. So today we have to learn how to fetch image from MySQL database and view on HTML page, and also if we want to store image from the admin panel to database, so that also we cover in this tutorial. So first we have to start our project. So go to your Visual Studio and open it, and also start your MySQL database. So start your Apache and MySQL, and first we have to open our project directory. So use the cd python project command. Press enter and start your server. So python manage.py and run server. Press enter. Sure, command is not proper. So again you have to type your command python manage you have to type your command properly, otherwise you get the error, and open your project in browser. So in last video we have to insert a file from our contact us page. So here we choose the file and insert the file. So today we have to insert image from the admin panel also. So we have to open our admin panel. So here type here admin, and we got the session error because before this we have to use the db.sqlite db, and also one more thing I told you last time when we create the table in MySQL. Open your MySQL. So we directly create the contact query table and we insert the two entries here, one for without image and one for with image. So you also create a table like use your application name, then underscore your model name. You can create table and directly connect it. But this is a one way. So today we have to run our migration and we create all the table to remove this error, because this error we got because we don't run any type of migration last time. So after connecting MySQL, we create manually this table and insert the image. So today we have to run migration and create all the table here. So first you have to delete your migrations folder from your project, and I already deleted. So then press Ctrl C and stop your server and run the migration command. So python manage.py and run make migration. And after that you have to run one more command, migrate. So python manage.py, press enter, and your migration is applying to your MySQL database. So now we go to our MySQL database. So open your database in browser and refresh your database here. So we have to create all the table, the session table also created, and now we have to start our server. So manage.py and run your server and go to your browser, and now you have to refresh your admin panel. So your admin panel is working properly now. So to open our admin panel, first we have to create a super user. So go to your command line, and here we have to create one super user. So type the command python manage.py, create super user, press enter, and you have to type the command properly. And type your super user name. So I type here, and your email address if you want, your password if you want, password again, and type yes, and your super user created, and then run your server again and go to browser, and here type your super username and your password and open your admin. So your admin is working properly. So this is your or last entries in contact query. So here we have to have all the contact queries. So today we have to learn how to insert image from the admin panel. So first we have to open our project also. So Control V and press here. So this is your website. So today we have to uh, design these training classes from our admin panel. So training or classes, and we have to insert these images with title and these descriptions. So for that we have to create one model and then register that model in our admin. So we have to easily insert image from the admin panel. So open the project files, and so here open your project file. First we have to create one model. Model, and here we have to create one module class. The module name is or class, models.model. And here we have to define the module uh, image, title and description. This is your description and this is the title and this is the image. So here we define the database field also in our module. So first we have to define image and models dot image field, and upload to define the directory name. So our directory name is training. Then define the title and titles dot char field max length and description. Max length 150, and also define the name of this is the function, the string function, and this will use in Django when we delete any of entry. If we don't define this one, then it will return that object is deleted. If we define this, then it will show or us like that. Like here we define the username. So if we delete some user name, then it will show like RAM username is deleted. So for that we have to define here. So if I define here self dot title, then it will show us like this title is deleted in our admin panel. This is for our admin panel. So Control S. So we created the module, and now we have to open our admin panel. Here we register our module. So type admin dot register, and here type your module name. So our class is our module, and also import your module here or classes. And create the name of module. So our class underscore admin. In admin also what you want to show in the table. So in admin list we have to show only title. So list dot display and press Ctrl S and again run the server. So our server is successfully running. If you have any error, so your server is showing you error, then it will start. So we have to go our admin panel and check our classes is created or not. Our classes is created in our fitness app, so we have to click on that. And so friend, here we have to got the error, the fitness class is not exist in our database. So here we don't run our migrations again, so that why it will create this error. So first we have to run the migration, regenerate our migration. So go to your project, and one more thing also, we have to create the table contact query manually. So that table also, this table also we have to delete, because what is the reason, we have to regenerate migration here. So for regenerating the migration, first you have to clear the command cls, we clear all the things, so we don't have the migrations here. So first we have to regenerate migration, so use python manage.py make migration, and your app name, and press enter. So you have to type your command properly. And press enter. So our manage spelling is not proper, python. And press enter. Now check your migration folder is scam and your migration is created. So we have to create migration here. So our migration is created in a single file. So our contact query also created and our class is also created. So if I run here the migrate command, and press enter, then it will show that Django dot content and this table is already exist. Because of this is why this is showing, because we have to create the contact query table manually last time. So first we have to delete this query table, and also we have to regenerate the migration. So we have to delete these three of table again, and Now we have to regenerate our migration. So go to migrate and type your application name and press enter. So now our migration is created, and go to your database and check show your contact query and your fitness classes under fitness underscore classes and id image title description table also created. Now you have to run your server and run, press enter and refresh your browser. So our fitness classes, click on our fitness classes, so it will showing select and change and not showing any type of error like last time. It will show or fitness underscore or classes table is not exist. So this error is gone. Now we have to insert these images and title, and this is our descriptions in our classes table by using the admin panel, and then we have to show here in our HTML page on training page. So first we have to get these images from our download folder. So go to our download and this is our HTML, and here we have to images. So these three images copy and we have to paste it on our desktop and go to your admin panel and click on our classes and add our classes. So here you can choose the file. So first image and title, so we have to write the same title, Control C and Control V, and also the same description. And here we have to three options: save and continue editing, and save and add another one. So first we have to press on save. So here it will showing the our classes lifting was added successfully. So last time I told you that if whatever title we have to add and delete, so this name is showing from or here whatever we write here in our module. Open your module and here we type self.title. For that it will showing this title is deleted, this title is created. If we don't define here, then it will show key object 1 is deleted, object 2 is something like. So now we have to add another one. Go to click and choose your file, and here we have to second file, and here select the title and paste, and same description we have to. Now click, if you want to add multiple, then directly click save and add another one and click. third one and open. Control V, and same title we have to say here also. So we added 3 items, so it will showing the uh, title here, all the item. So this title we have to register in our admin panel. So what we have to show in our admin panel. So here we have to register in our admin panel. Open your admin panel. So in our list display we have to write only title, so it will show the title. So now we have to show these 3 entries in our HTML page. So go to our project and first we have to close all the files. So how to show the database entries to our HTML page with the images? So open the view.py file and also open your HTML file. So we have to HTML in our pages folder. So open your training.py file because we have to show here on our training page. So first we have to go to, so we have to 3 block here using the call lg4. So 3 div. So we have to first delete 2 div and control S and check the browser. So first we have to, so we delete 3 entry and we one remaining entry is showing, so we need only 1 entry. So now we have to show the entries. So here we show our code dynamically. So go to our view.py file and on the training dot, because these all view we have to create it when we design the pages. So here on the training page we have to get or entry from the database in a variable. So first we have to create a variable or class or CLS. So now we have to get the data from database using our model name. So our model name is our class, then dot use the object and dot all use the all is the Python functions. So this is get the all the data from the or classes tables. Now we have to pass this data to our HTML page. So here we have to write the return render request training.html. So we have to pass on HTML page using as a key value format. So in a Python key value format we have to write like this, control V. So our class, this is the key and this is the value for CLS, and we have to press control S. So this is the a format in Python. We have to write other language like a JSON format like a key value, and in a Python this is write like we have to write in a tuple and directory like this, a JSON format using by the tuple and using by directory. So here we have to create one directory, and now we have to go on our HTML page. So here we have to write the Python code. So you have to write the Python code using the curly braces, and this is the curly braces with the ginger code. So in between both we have to write the Python code. So here we use the for loop to write our code. So first we have to type for loop and whatever variable we have to type there and write in our classes. And after your div closing, here we have to close the for loop also. So use the changer code and write here and for. So here we write the for loop and we now we have to fetch the value using our for loop. So use the double curly braces and close the double curly braces. In between the both curly braces we have to write our cls dot title and press Ctrl S and go to view your page and refresh your page. So here, so we didn't get anything because we have to error on our page. So go to your page and check what is the error is going on. So view.py file. So here we have to type our classes and there we write our CLS. So replace this our classes with Ctrl S and now go to your training and refresh it. So here we get the three values but with different title because we don't replace the description and also the image. So here go to your page and we also remove the description. So remove the description and write your Python code here also with double curly braces and type here or dot description and Control S. Go and check your description also came. So our description also came, and if we didn't get the description and anything like a error, then we have to get the error here because we type here the Python code, so that's why it will showing the description there. Now we have the image same. So we have the three images, all are same, but we have to insert the different image. So how to we fetch the image also? So here we have to write our Python code using curly braces. So type here or dot image dot URL and press Ctrl S and go and refresh your browser. So we got the different images also, and we have to cover mostly things in our website, how to insert value in database, how to connect with MySQL, how to insert image also. So remaining part of our website you have to create and generate.